Welcome to Melbear's Weird and Wonderful. Today I'll show you how to make this gold leaf, gold nugget inspired snow globe tumbler. I put out at least one new video every week, so please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Alright, so today I'm going to make a gold leaf tumbler. And what I'm going to do with this is I've got some gold leaf that I got at the dollar store, and they also sell this in a container at Michael's by Recollections if you can't find this at the dollar store. And what I did is I just pulled it out and then took a pair of scissors and just cut it up so it was fairly fine chunks. So just cut it up until the chunks are not too big, as you want them to be able to flow in the tumbler. So you can see that they're probably about a 1/4 inch or so or less. And then all I'm going to do with that, I'm going to add to that as well. I'm going to add some just plain gold sparkles. I've got a few different ones. I'm going to add a little bit of each of these because they're all different weights. Like this one's fairly chunky, this one's pretty fine, and this one's, I think, even finer. So add whatever you've got for gold glitter. It doesn't really matter. And you're going to need for this also clear glue. And I added about a tablespoon per 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to use a squeeze bottle to put the water into this, and I'm going to use a squeeze bottle to get the gold flakes and the glitter into the tumbler. So I'm going to put the gold leaf into one of these squeeze bottles to begin with, if I can get it in there without making a mess. These don't dump that easily. This gold leaf kind of sticks together, so you're going to be a little more challenged getting this into the tumbler than just plain glitter. And we're going to add some glitter to this too, probably about a tablespoon of all the different ones combined. But add as much or as little as you would like. It doesn't, again, with making tumblers, it doesn't matter. It's just your preference, whatever you like. And I'm making a mess. So I've added the rest of the gold leaf to the squeeze bottle, and now I'm going to add the glue and water mixture. Then I'm going to stir that up, and we're going to add it to the tumbler. And just give that a good shake just so you've got all the stuff flowing correctly, and then just squeeze it right in. Because that gold leaf is a little chunky, make sure you shake it lots. Otherwise it'll get stuck in the in the snout of the squeeze bottle. And gotta refill it. I got a little clog there I can see. Just gonna put that clog right into the tumbler with my finger. The gold leaf is on the chunky side, so it's going to be a little more difficult to use your squeeze bottle to get it in there, but it does work. You just have to be a little patient. And after I have all the solution in the tumbler, I wipe the top off with alcohol and then seal the tumbler. And I do have a video on sealing tumblers coming out very soon if you're having trouble with that. And here is our finished gold leaf tumbler. And you can see the gold leaf floating in there. It actually floats quite well. It does sink very slowly, but if you give it a nice shake, then you can see all the little gold leaves floating, and it's very beautiful. It's actually one of my favorite new tumblers. I hope you've enjoyed this gold leaf inspired snow globe tumbler tutorial. I put out at least one new video every week, so please subscribe if you enjoy the content. Please do leave me a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching.